I'm God. Fiumyamba fie lipwa. How confiance and chita tafishila according to my plans. Nina trust. I go say life yankana mwena isha pafula itot bana bandit kanshi machina fienjinika. We hang the belly after 5 months. Ati I'm carrying your baby nakana banjimina. Ati teti asale po umofye pali bon seta pena liobe. Pate ukuchula ukuseba na mwana afwa. That one carrying my firstborn after. Kwata ifu mo ambile ama out mubaj. Umwana bale fire kumuchita bote ancestors bamusunga. Now I see that walimo abengite wandi show what is it that is mine in my own understanding. I was thinking this one, now I'm mine. Ati awete wandi including Nabakashi. I am in hateful, no bukali emona pita. Emona call me yule doche nale kama movie ya malabate inesa muma urise. Nazubi mekte undina tempo ukutila muchipimo. Napali efyo ninga chita but limo life. Life shows no mercy to me. 13 we do molo kuipaya defeat no power to me. Some main voices and different spirits. I don't even know what I possess. Hoping one day I will become the beast in me. But takwaba ine nduba piensa nkapye if it be the spirit I will not happy. But I'm big with the situation. Hatini nature. Nature will always be nature. Kapali if you wing a chita kule kapye if ine file yendela kulingana no butantiko. Emona nature will always choose you. Nangu tebu fya yo bobe. Money, I think fearful. This is not my will, maybe someone else will. Want to talk about everything I try become sour. Maybe fiali pena na lisula mi pashisha fikol where God come through. Otherwise the more I do goodness, she in return is salt. If you busa banandi fiance jobu because she away. However comes in my life must feel pain. The only way to grow is to forgive and forget, but not always. Wise pressure cut nature, ya shupa. I know you can't win with the rules of life. God, please forgive, I have broken some rules. And now I'm living the life I wanted and soon to run this town. Nature take on us.
Chita kule kapye ifile file endela kulingana no butantiko.